Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best TCL Roku TV replacement remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for any TCL Roku TV owner, ensuring seamless control over your viewing experience without the frustration of a lost or malfunctioning original remote. Imagine effortlessly navigating through your favorite apps, adjusting volume, or powering your TV on and off with a reliable replacement that's designed to be a perfect fit, saving you time and hassle when you need it most. This isn't just about replacing a lost item, it's about restoring the convenience and full functionality of your smart TV setup, making your entertainment time more enjoyable and less interrupted by technical glitches. Number 5. ZdalaMit Universal Roku TV Remote. Introducing the ZdalaMit Universal Roku TV Remote, designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of TCL, Hisense, Insignia, and other Roku TV models. It's the perfect replacement for your lost or broken remote. Forget complicated programming. This remote is ready to go right out of the box. Simply insert batteries, and it's good to use with your Roku TV. It's compatible with numerous Roku TV models, including specific remote codes like RC280 and HU/RCRUS20. Check our list to ensure it's the right fit for your TV. Enjoy a reliable experience with this remote. Each key has been tested for durability, ensuring it can withstand over 17,000 clicks for long-lasting performance. Control your TV from up to 33 feet away. This remote offers a generous working distance, giving you flexibility in how you watch. Please note, this remote is specifically designed for Roku TV sets and will not work with Roku players, boxes, or sticks. It's the ideal solution for your Roku TV needs. What we like. This remote offers extensive compatibility with a vast range of Roku TV brands and models, making it a versatile choice. It requires no programming, so you can simply insert batteries and start using it immediately. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss replacement for a lost or broken remote that works with almost any Roku TV, this is a great option. What people say. Works exactly as original Roku remote. Plug and play. Insert batteries and it paired instantly with my Roku device. No programming or syncing needed. Full compatibility. I tested it on my Roku Express and Roku TV, and it handled both with no problem. Number 4. Acoyer 2-pack replacement remote for Roku TVs. Never be without a remote again with this convenient pack of 2 replacement controllers. They are designed to work seamlessly with your Roku TV. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply insert batteries, and you're ready to go, no complicated pairing or programming required. These remotes are specifically designed for a wide range of Roku TV models from popular brands. Please check the list to ensure compatibility with your TV. Access your favorite streaming apps instantly with dedicated shortcut buttons. Enjoy precise control from up to 30 feet away. Built to last, these remotes have undergone rigorous testing for durability. You can count on them for long-term use. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty and unlimited return refund service. Contact us with any questions or concerns. What we like. Get double the value with this 2-pack of replacement remotes, ensuring you always have a backup. It's designed for immediate use without any setup, just add batteries. If you have multiple Roku TVs in your household or tend to misplace remotes, this pack offers convenience and peace of mind. What people say. Setup was incredibly easy. There's no complicated pairing process, just insert batteries and it works instantly with my TCL Roku TV. The buttons are responsive, and the layout is very similar to the original remote, so there's no learning curve. I also like that it's compatible with a wide range of Roku TV brands like Hisense, ON, Sharp, Element, Westinghouse, and Philips. That makes it a versatile option if you have multiple TVs in your home. Not only did it work perfectly with the TV, but I was also able to link it to my Vizio soundbar. Having both devices respond flawlessly to one remote has cleaned up my setup significantly. Number 3. Roku Voice Remote Gray. Introducing the Roku Voice Remote Gray. It's designed to give you seamless control over your Roku experience, whether you're using a Roku TV, player, or streambar. This remote is perfect for all Roku TV brands and a wide range of Roku players and soundbars. It's the ideal replacement or upgrade for your existing remote. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This enhanced voice remote simplifies your setup with convenient buttons to control your TV's power, volume, and mute functions. Jump directly to your favorite streaming channels with just one touch. For preset shortcut buttons, put your most watched content right at your fingertips. Unlock the full potential of your Roku device with voice commands. Simply press the microphone button to launch channels, search for shows, manage captions, and switch inputs effortlessly. Whether you're using a Roku TV or a Roku player, this remote offers intuitive voice search and essential TV controls like power, volume, and mute, all in one place. What we like. This enhanced remote brings the power of voice search and control directly to your fingertips, simplifying your entertainment experience. It also includes convenient buttons for TV power, volume, and mute, reducing the need for multiple remotes. If you're a Roku user who values ease of use and wants to search for content or control your TV with just your voice, this is the remote for you. What people say. It works perfectly with my TCL Roku TV. The remote is a direct replacement and functions just like the original. Number 2. TCL Roku-TV-Remote-Control RC280/RC282. Introducing the universal remote designed for your TCL Roku TV and other compatible brands. It's the perfect replacement for your lost or broken remote. Forget complicated programming. This remote works right out of the box, so you can start watching your favorite shows immediately. Experience a quick response time of just 0.2 seconds. Its buttons are built to last over 100,000 clicks, ensuring long-term reliability. Enjoy up to 6 to 8 months of use on a single set of batteries with regular daily operation. Spend less time worrying about replacements. Easily access your favorite streaming services with dedicated shortcut buttons. Enjoy instant access to Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and Prime Video. Control your TV from a distance of over 8 meters, 24 feet. It's an ideal solution for any living room setup. What we like. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming services with dedicated shortcut buttons. What people say. Works very well. Better than original remote. This remote works great for that and makes it much easier to fast forward sports games and things. Setup is quick and easy. The unit is lightweight and seems to be sturdy. You don't have to point at the screen to make it work. It uses common AAA batteries. Both remote controls worked perfectly right out of the package. I didn't even need to program them, just added the batteries and they were ready to use. The buttons are responsive and easy to press, and the remotes feel lightweight but still well made. Number 1. TCL Roku TV Replacement Remote RC280. Get your TV up and running in no time. This remote works right out of the box after you insert batteries, no programming needed. It's designed to work with a wide range of TCL Roku TVs and other compatible brands. Enjoy seamless control over your viewing experience. Easily launch your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Vudu with dedicated shortcut buttons. Access your content faster than ever. Forget about complicated pairing processes. This remote is ready to go without any pairing buttons or audio jacks, ensuring a simple user experience. This is the perfect replacement for your lost or broken remote. It's designed to be a direct fit for many TCL Roku TV models and more. Simply add batteries and it's ready to control your TV. It's designed for immediate use, making it incredibly convenient. What we like. This remote is designed for immediate use, requiring no programming after inserting batteries, and features dedicated keys for popular apps. It offers broad compatibility with many TCL Roku TV models and other Roku TV brands. If you have a TCL Roku TV or a similar model and need a straightforward replacement with quick access to streaming apps, this remote is a perfect fit. What people say. Simple, affordable, and works exactly like the original Roku remote. The buttons respond quickly, pairing is effortless, and it's a lifesaver if you lose remotes often. No lag, no setup hassles, just instant functionality. Works great for my Roku TV and didn't need programmed or anything. I just put in batteries and it worked. Works just like the original. I don't know how the first one stopped working, Gradually the buttons shut down one function at a time over a 5-month period, but I use the Roku app on my phone, which is okay, but I missed having the feel of the remote control because you memorize where the buttons are without having to look down at it. When you are using your phone or tablet to control your device, you have to look at the screen to use the functions. Some people like touch screen remotes, but I like to surf Roku with the Roku remote. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.